Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here with another how to create an upcycle puppet. This time it's with Tigger. I paid 99 cents for him. Pulling that tag right off. I think I got both staples. There we go. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to use one of these little claw devices here and see if we can make it work in our Tigger. Now, it's not it's a stuffed animal, so there's no entry in the back, but I'm going to go ahead and do my job and just snip away. Okay, we're going to try and actually, if I can use the seam ripper, that actually might be a better way to do it. There's a little bean bag inside, so I'm trying to get that out of there without ripping and creating a mess all over the workspace here. So we're going to do that. We're going to get there and have some fun here. Okay. So again, we're trying to get old Tigger here popped open. Let's see if we can do it. All right, there we go. We got it started. What I did was I went right down where the tag was and figured that'd be a good place to start, and then we could get a couple of good runs at it here. I don't need to bring or take much out because remember it's going to have this little device in it. Okay, but I need just enough to get there we go, to get that bean bag out. And I'm hoping, yep, I knew they would be putting it in a little bean bag form like that. So that's done there. All this material needs to come out so I can get that, let's see, this little claw thing in there. So we'll leave the legs and we'll leave some of the foam. We need to get up right up into that neck area because the neck is where it's going to get a little dicey. Okay. Here we go. You having fun so far? There we go. Oh, that came out. Oh, yeah, there it is. The neck had a big chunk in it. Okay, so now we need to get up into the mouth area because, again, that's where the little claw thing's going to go. And we need to clear out that. So let's see if we can get the mouth cleared out. Not the head, just the mouth. And again, I don't want to take to rip too much into the figure. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Let's get that out of there. I figure the best way to do it is just kind of poke the mouth or what have you back into the body, and then I can remove the material that's now in the body. And then we're going to pop those things back out like that. There's the top and there's the bottom. It still has a little bit in there, but I think that will work. Okay, now we need to crunch it like this. We need to feed it up into the mouth area. Let's see if it makes it through the neck. I think it will. Go in sideways. Let's see, I think I can do this. That's going to make it. It's got to. I'm determined to have this work. I popped something, I hope. Oh, darn it. I broke it. Maybe it's not a break. Maybe it's it popped out of shape spot here. Hold on. Let's see if I can fix it. I think it's just, yeah. Now that did pop off there. And that will need to get popped back in. Although it broke. Okay, well, hang tight. I've got another one. Here it is. Mouth number 2, or whatever this is. This is the second one. So let's try this again, but I think I'm going to try and remove a little material. I think that's what was blocking that little guy there. Okay, so there we go. So now the neck is completely empty. And if we're lucky, That's the good one. If we're lucky, we'll be able to get it to work. Okay. Let's do this. Let's bring it up the back. We'll try it again. Tigger's not going to know what hit him. Okay, let's make sure all that material... Oh, there we go. Okay. So now, it's going through the neck. Let's try this again. Let's do round 2. I've only got a few more of those little guys, so I'm hoping that we can... Oh, it feels like it's working. I did pull the little tube loose, but I didn't break the... Oh, there it goes. But I didn't break the mechanism this time, yet. I'm just hoping it'll make it through. It feels like it should. Oh boy, hold on. I think maybe we just do this. Okay, there we go. I think part of it's the material. The foam inside is getting in the way. Now I had to loosen that little rod. Oh. I think it's working. Yep, it made it through. Now the rod is not in place, but I can pop that in any moment there. The trick is to get the mouth to go around the little apparatus. Okay, here we go. I think I'm going to be able to do it. Let's get that in there a little bit more. Come on. Okay, I can feel it in there. Oh, okay, it's completely in the head now. Now it'll have an opportunity to open, but you know what? I need to replace the bar in the socket so that it has room to work. I think that's how that works. There it goes. Okay. So the jaw's still open, but I'm working it into the mouth. All right, I think I've got it. Okay. Let's make sure that it goes in the thing there. And there it is. I did it. Oh yeah, it's a talking Tigger. And just by using that little mouth, I think that's what I was trying to do, Tigger, but I ended up doing, I think, more Scooby-Doo. He's more of a hello, this is Tigger. How are you today? I should be doing it the other way. I should keep it shut and go, hello, this is Tigger. I don't know that it's working quite the way I was hoping it to. I don't think that it's, I think it's close enough. It's clamping down, but there it is. Tigger with one of these little gadgets inside, and we had fun, I hope, doing this. This is the DIY Magician. For those of you who've been with us, please, thank you very much for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe, and you'll get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.